Welcome to Product Critique, where we help you find the best tech for your needs. Today, we're diving into what could be the best phone keyboard for Android users. The PuechAxe Foldable Bluetooth Keyboard with Stand. If you've been looking for a portable and ultra-slim keyboard for your phone, tablet, or laptop, then you'll want to stick around for this review. The PuechAxe Foldable Bluetooth Keyboard is an ergonomic, compact, and sleek keyboard designed for people who are always on the go. Whether you're working from a cafe, traveling on a plane, or just need to work from your couch, this keyboard promises to provide a laptop-like typing experience in a portable package. Its foldable design makes it easy to carry anywhere, and it fits perfectly into your briefcase, backpack, or even your luggage. When folded, it measures just 5.82 inches by 3.97 inches, making it an ideal companion for those who prioritize portability. This keyboard stands out with its high-quality matte dark gray surface, which is not only anti-fingerprint but also resistant to wear and tear. The build is solid with ABS plus PC material, ensuring durability, and the alloy connecting shafts keep everything smooth and functioning even on non-flat surfaces. Thanks to its magnetic folding mechanism, the keyboard stays securely closed when you're carrying it around. In terms of connectivity, this keyboard doesn't disappoint. It supports up to 3 Bluetooth devices at the same time, whether you're using your Android phone, iPhone, tablet, or laptop. You can easily switch between devices with just a simple button press. The keyboard stays connected within a 43-foot range, so you don't need to be right next to your device to type comfortably. The built-in rechargeable battery is another feature that makes this keyboard perfect for travel. A single charge gives you up to 3 months of standby time, and if you're not using it for 10 minutes, it automatically goes into sleep mode to conserve power. Plus, it comes with a Type-C charging cable, so recharging is quick and easy. For added convenience, the keyboard has a built-in stand holder, making it even more functional when you need to prop up your phone or tablet while typing. Whether you're writing a report, answering emails, or browsing the web, this keyboard makes the experience smoother and more efficient. To wrap it up, if you're looking for a travel-friendly, multi-device compatible keyboard that offers comfort and convenience, while being easy to carry, the PuechAxe Foldable Bluetooth Keyboard is definitely worth considering. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews of the latest tech products. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.